Say hello to fun learning with the My 101 Gianne Stickers book. Packed with over 1,000 colorful, reusable stickers, this book turns learning into an exciting adventure for little minds. Kids enjoy learning as they play and stick colorful stickers on every page. Each page is thoughtfully designed to develop observation, recognition, fine motor skills, and early vocabulary, all while keeping kids joyfully engaged. The stickers are easy to peel and place, and reusable so your child can learn and play again and again. Whether at home, in class, or on the go, it's the perfect screen-free companion for ages 3 and up. Make learning colorful, creative, and super fun with the My 101 Gianne Stickers book. Because every sticker helps build a smarter, happier child.